How to scan a QR code in Alight Motion. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to scan a QR code in Alight Motion. First, go to the Google Chrome app on your mobile phone. After that, use the search bar to search for the Alight Motion project QR code. Here, tap on the Images option at the top line. Then select any QR code image as shown on the screen. Now press the image and tap on Download Image to download it. Next, download the image and go to the QR or barcode reader app. Tap on the image icon and select the Albums app. After that, choose the QR code image, and it will show you the Alight Motion link. Lastly, tap on Open, and it will show you the Alight Motion website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.